Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
UMLA kapentor kra uba EL hek hene kasngi ula pelaj Paidbah ya kakot Modi app 20 ha office jong kaseng ha kajing don lang jong kidong yalam na kajela. Habakren hakani kasngi uba hek ula ya ruak ya kajing tre kam jong Narendra Modi uba hakini ki arpos nem kum unong yalam ula le bun ki kam. Ula ongru bakum unong yalam umudi ude ubriu bas ngauret bat uba tre shitom baha. Ula benrap ru dah kabaong baha kapor ba ulong presiden ka BJYM ka jela Meghalaya kilayo an penlong ya kajing kanduk lang jong kidukhat BJYM hanong ba shalong. Hadian ba umudi ulalong menteri rang ba ka jela Gujarat na kalyang ka jong u lokhat ya kran ya u habaya dei bat ka jela. Ulong umudi ude uwe na kinong yalam uba kari ka perthai ki itu bat buram.
This is the book Modi at 20. For the benefit of the people and not Thank you.
It was released a few months back by our outgoing Vice President, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. Now we have the honor and great opportunity where MLA has released it in our state also, where people can go through it, learn, and maybe get motivated to work for the society. The visionary man who has never faced any lasting long-term failure. Of course, he faced a lot of difficulties. Of course, he failed at different points. But there was no lasting failure which he was not able to overcome till now in really flying colors. The book also contains some of the conversations between current Foreign Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and Modi ji, which led to the overwhelming Medicine Square Garden program. I hope most of us must have seen that, where even the USA President was sort of feeling honored in the company of our Prime Minister. Another luminary, PV Sindhu, who has just once again won few more medals in Commonwealth Games, India's prominent badminton player, she describes our Prime Minister as undisputed youth icon.
So when we had gone through on a speech spoken by our very respected speaker, Sri Sunil Arora ji, how our beloved Prime Minister started this journey. Today we have released the book Modi at 20. But I know our beloved Prime Minister ji, Narendra Modi ji, 25 years back, you will be surprised also how we have met him in the last 25 years back. When first I was elected in 1998 and also elected as a Minister of State in the state of Meghalaya as a primary education minister. That time I was also the president of the BJYM Meghalaya. When I was the BJYM president of Meghalaya, we have invited the national BJYM meeting to be held in the states of Meghalaya, that is in Shillong, in Pulunawar Hotel. In 1998, that time our Prime Minister, he was the national in charge of the BJYM. We were together since 1998, and the meeting we host, I host by me as a president of BJYM, when our late H. when he was the elected MLA from Lawan, also he was the minister of the state of Meghalaya. We had host the office bearer meeting in Shillong, that also in order to learn hours. So we know him, Modi at 25 years back. How has it said by our speaker, how he was very humble. Why today he's become very successful man and a great man. We should know, because he is a spotless leader. When you will be carrying your career without any spot, you will be successful in your life. And the beauty also of this successful man is, when we have been through this book, is a dream, meet and delivery. What is the meaning of the dream, meets and delivery? There's a planning. When we are dreaming, then we are planning what we are going to take it, what we are going to do, what is our future, what is our plan. When we meet, what is our meeting? It's a meeting. When we are meeting. When we are meeting, we have our brainstorming. We put all our brains together by meeting everybody. Then only we deliver. When we deliver, said rightly by the speaker, when the speaker was spoken today, we reach to the last person, the last mile of a person wherever they are in our country today to deliver the good speeches implemented by our beloved Prime Minister. That's why we are saying we need to be an organized person. Our Prime Minister is a very, very organized human being. When we plan, we put our interactions, we make our brains to talk each other, to learn from each other, then only we deliver to reach to the last mile, to reach the last persons of our country, to deliver a good which we are planning from the day one. So we need a good planner. He is a good planner. He is a good orator. He is a good deliverer. He do anything which is required for the country of India today. As said before, people are looking down of our country. But today our country is in a tough. Everybody are looking to our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. He is not only the leader of India, but he is the leader of the international leader of the globe today. This is known by each one and everyone in this world. Who is Narendra Modi? When it's said, because why it is all happening and all successful? Because of the humble beginning. When we talk of a humble beginning, I go to my own retrospections for myself. How I started my career. That's why I've also written my own book. I've written my own book. I've completed my book in the lockdown 1 and lockdown 2, 300 pages. I'm also planning to release my own book in January. That also will request the Honorable Prime Minister in the rally which will be held before the elections in 23 February. He will come once, maybe to say to Shillong for the rally. Definitely will request him to release my book also, which I have already written by me during the lockdown 1 and the lockdown 2 when I was a health minister for Meghalaya. But as a citizen of our country, everyone are very happy today to release the book at 20. But I know our Prime Minister 20 years before. And you will not believe also, in 2014, that time also I was health minister, but a health minister from the Congress party. You will not believe, I got a call personally when he was the chief minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi ji. He has given me a personal call from his mobile and said, "It's hard to use this word. I want to meet you." He said, "Who's speaking?" He said, "Bhai Narendra Modi ji bol raha hu. Aur sir bure ko kha milenge." He said that, "I'll come to Shillong and meet you." I said, "No sir, you tell me. If you tell me you go, then call me to Gujarat, call me to Alimir, so I'll come and meet you." I was health minister of Congress, but I went to his office in Ahmedabad. I sat with him for 40 minutes and we discussed about the 2014 elections of the parliamentary election, and he told me, "You are selected to be a candidate of Shillong parliamentary constituency from my team." That word is used by the Honorable Prime Minister today when he had called me when we had discussed and met him in his office in Gujarat. So this is the story which a humble man, a man who started from the humble beginning, he can rise to there's no limit to rise in his life. So that's why we need to be sincere in our life, to be dedicated and to be committed, and we will be able to achieve our goal. So with this much, we pray that our Honorable Prime Minister live long and he will continue to rule our country from better and from good, better to the best. Thank you very much and God bless you all.